Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am getting ready to go to do some errands. So I decided to do like a little get ready with me video. But today I'm actually going to be using the Morphe 35M palette. And this is one of their more newer palettes. Open it up, you can see that it actually comes with like a little plastic cover. It's really reflective, and this plastic cover actually has the names of each shade. I don't really know what look I'm gonna go for today. I do want to do something a little bit wearable because I'm just going to be running errands. I'm not really gonna do anything crazy today. I'm gonna go ahead and put on like this little head wrap thing because I want my hair to be out of the way. Okay, so now that our hair is out of our way, we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyebrows first. And for eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade dark brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fill those in. I'm not really going to go too in depth with them. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some brow gel from Anastasia and just set these babies in. I have some like really crazy hairs and this really helps set them in place. I think we're gonna go ahead and start with our face first. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is one of my all-time favorite primers, and right now at the moment I just got a facial done around a week ago. And whenever I get a facial done, breakouts happen, which is this. Just, I feel like all that dirt that's been clogged up in there, when you get a facial done, it just takes it all out. So that's what is going on here on my cheeks. So, you know what? And this primer actually has coconut water in it, which helps soothe the skin. So I just feel like this is not going to be as bad for my skin also. Now for foundation, I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This foundation is like my favorite at the moment. I feel like it's the perfect shade for my skin tone. The shade is Stromboli. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And I'm taking my little e.l.f. platter here. What I like to do is I like to take like a flat brush. It's like small like concealer brush, and I just like to dot this everywhere. And I like to do one side at a time, and then go ahead and blend that in. Okay, moving on to concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is in the shade medium, and I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. Now to set that all in, I'm just going to be taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be baking just a tiny bit with it and then setting the rest of my face. And I just take a little bit also and tap it on the top of my lid because I do have very oily lids. This helps with that. To set the rest of the face, I'm going to be taking a powder from Too Faced, and this is their cocoa powder, and this is in the shade medium. And I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with it. Now I don't like to bake for too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the baking with a small brush. And I'm just going to wipe this off. we're gonna go ahead and work on our eyes. And I'm taking the Morphe 35M palette, but we're gonna go ahead and take this shade in the palette right here. And we're gonna use that as a transition shade. And I'm taking a fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the M573. And just applying that in our crease. I think I'm going to do like a cranberry type of look, and I'm going to be taking the like a burgundy kind of brick reddish color right here, and I'm going to be applying that right in her crease also, but with like a more precise brush. So let's see, go ahead and just intensify. Next, to intensify the look a little bit, I'm gonna take this deeper like burgundy color right here, and I'm just going to be applying that on our outer V. We're gonna go ahead and apply some concealer to our lid, because I just want to make sure that the next color that we apply on the lid is going to be a little bit more intense. And just cleaning this up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this like gold copper tone shade right here and apply that on the lid. And we're just going to be applying that. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead with the deeper burgundy shade that we took and just blend that in. I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner. And I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner for that. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the brown shade that we took first, which was this one right here. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm taking the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara and just applying a light layer because I am gonna go in with some lashes. So alright, so for lashes, I'm gonna be taking one of my favorite lashes. I own so many of these because they're just like my all-time favorite lashes, and these are the House of Lashes in the style Knockout. Let's go ahead and apply them. So now that we have our eyes done and our lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of the face. And to bronze my face, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to take that with a Morphe R10 brush and just kind of bronze but contour at the same time. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be taking the MAC Coppertone blush, and this is kind of like a coppery, like bronzy tone type of blush. And I'm taking a Morphe E4 angled brush and just applying the blush right on top. So pretty. we're going to be moving on to highlighter. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and AMREZY highlight. This is such a gorgeous highlight, you guys. I know they brought it back, but can you guys see that? How beautiful it is? And I just want to apply a little bit. Lips, I'm going to be using, I bought some new lip products from Morphe, and I got like one of these pencils. I haven't really heard too many people talking about these, but I got it in the shade, what is the shade? PDA. And I'm gonna go ahead, it's kind of like one of those retractable pencils, and it just like kind of goes up like that, and it's like a pretty mauve like nude shade. And it is matte, so I really like that because now to top it off, I'm going to be taking the Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Flower Crown, and it's kind of like a nude shade, and I'm just going to be putting it right on top of this lipstick. But yeah, we're pretty much done for the face. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face again with the Morphe spray just to finish it off. So this is the completed look. It's kind of like a coppery, like nudish, like warm tone colored type of look. I really liked how it turned out. It's perfect for me to just, you know, go out and about my day and just run some errands. I don't think it's too much, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Is my completed look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until next time, bye guys.